by my sleazy mind, too picturesque an image to control this time. My intimate discriminating fears you test, by ignorance that truly feels it knows me best. You have the power, but you keep it all to yourself. Your lust is decomposing us. This intricate sincerity is choking me. It's scrambling and crawling all around my feet. And words that drop from line to line, they cover me. My credible intelligence evading me. You have the power, but you keep it all to yourself. Your lust is decomposing us. In a cultural scale, suffocating, still frustrating like we care. Dissecting all who analyze an empty heart, just spitting out some more wet dreams and calling it art. You have the vision, but you keep it all to yourself. Your lust is decomposing us.
Money taken. We don't have a choice, but we still have a voice.
Just confess your girl admits that we the shit. F-R-E-S-H, we fresh. G-E-F, that's right, we definite. B-E-P, we reppin' it. So, turn me up, turn me up, turn me up. Come on, baby, just pump it. Pump it. Pump it. Pump it. Pump it. Pump it. Inside. Inside. Yo, yo. Turn up the radio. Check this out right here. Do wanna hate on us, do need to ease on up. Do wanna act on gut, but do get shut like Flavor Shuck. Chick say she ain't down, but chick backstage when we in town. She like men on drum, she wanna hit and run. Yeah, that's the speed, that's what we do, that's who we be. B-L-A-C-K-E-Y-A-D-D to the E, then the I to the S. When we play, you shake your ass. Shake it, girl. Make sure you don't break it, girl. Turn it up, turn it up, turn it up. Come on, baby, just pump it. Pump it. Pump it. Pump it. Pump it. Pump it. Inside. Inside. Yo, yo. Turn up the radio, blast your stereo right now. It's Jordan Smith and Lynn. It's Smith and Lynn. scene, breaking